What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna be trying out this Beachwaver. I just got this. I've literally used this twice, so I'm not really great at using it, but I just wanted to get on here and show you guys what it was all about because it actually is a really good curling iron. I am no professional at curling my hair. I'm actually pretty bad at curling my hair, believe it or not, just because I have like so much hair that it is kind of hard to curl. I curled it yesterday and this is kind of what I'm left with today. I figured why not get on here and film it and show you guys what this Beachwaver is all about. Really like the cord on here because it swivels so you don't have to worry about your cord getting tangled. So to turn it on, you just plug it in. You push the little power button here. It has 3 settings. It has 1, 2, and 3. I put it on 3 and the little light, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there is a light on there and it will blink, and then when it's heated up it will stay solid. It will stop blinking. And then you have 2 different controls on here so you can curl in either direction, which I'm not even gonna lie, it's kind of like hard to get the hang of which direction you're supposed to be going in on which side. I'm struggling with that a little bit, but what I've been doing is I've just been kind of splitting my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and split my hair. I'm just gonna take this top little piece here and I'm gonna look crazy for a little while of this video, but I'm just gonna kind of bun it up on the top here. Nothing fancy. You would think I would be better at doing hair because I have a lot of hair and it's pretty long, but it actually makes me terrible at doing hair because I just don't have the patience for it. It's like if I straighten my hair, I'm doing something really good, you know? Actually, to straighten my hair, I don't even use a regular straightener. I use the Revlon. It's like a big hairbrush. It's round or oval looking. That's what I use to straighten my hair with because the straightener takes way too long. It's like a 2-hour process. I'm like, I don't have time for that. So I just sectioned my hair off. I split it in half. My hair is naturally wavy, so I did wash my hair like 2 days ago, and then I used that Revlon hairbrush blow dryer. I don't know what you call the thing, but I used that to kind of straighten my hair out. So for me, sections kind of have to be like this because my hair is so long. But what I've learned is that on my left side, I have to hold the barrel like this and put my hair in front of the barrel and then, wrong way, twist this up. But it twists up and it literally takes like no time. It is so fast at curling my hair. It's insane. Like my hair stylist, she has one of these. Her barrel is a little bigger, which I did like the little bigger barrel because my hair is so long and thick. But this one does just as good. She has the Beachwaver and my hair lasted for like 2 days. I need to get some better hairspray, I think. Also, I need some time with this. I've only had this Beachwaver for like a week or so and I've used it twice, so that's what the first curl is looking like so cute. My hair has the hardest time holding curls for some reason, and you would think it wouldn't because I have naturally wavy hair, but you just stick it in the end and you see, I always push the wrong way. Curl it on up the barrel. And then I just wait a few seconds. Literally, she had my hair curled in 15 minutes. It takes me a bit longer. It takes me about 20-25 minutes. Like, that's how long it took me yesterday. But we'll see. Maybe I'll start getting quicker with it. I don't know. Be very careful. This barrel gets very hot. I burnt myself a little, but again, I'm no professional. But look at that curl. Isn't that pretty? I mean, it curls my hair right up. I like that it has the automatic like wind up thing, and I really, dang it, I keep going the wrong way. I really love that it has a bigger barrel. I never like curling my hair ever, but I really don't mind curling it with this because it is kind of quick. Like normally it takes me forever to curl my hair with the regular curling iron, but this one does like amazing. I feel like I need to get better hairspray or something too, to hold it maybe. Oh, I went the right way this time. I mean, it's just like so easy just to like, But this would be a great gift idea for Christmas coming up. Honestly, I did not think that I would love this as much as I do. Like seeing the commercials and stuff for it or the advertisements for it, I'm just like, you know, it's a curling iron that winds itself up. Like what's so great about it? But it's the quickness about it. It just makes it so much easier to curl your hair. So if you have really thick hair like I do, if you have long hair like I do, this is actually amazing. I'll have this link below for you in case you're interested in checking it out. They have different size barrels. Like I said, the girl that does my hair, she has one, and hers actually has like interchangeable barrels. So she can do like little curls, she can do bigger curls. I just absolutely love how quick and easy it curls my hair. I mean, isn't that gorgeous? And then of course, same thing for this side. Now this side, I'm gonna do the other button here. Like for me, that's the hardest part, is trying to remember which way I'm curling this, because I'm trying to curl it like back and away. Also, I need to get better at my bangs, but just look at how pretty that curl is. I just try to let them cool before I run my fingers through them. I don't try to put like a brush or anything through them because I don't want to take the curl out too much. I think that's what I love so much about it. It's like so quick and easy for my hair, which is usually not the case ever. For me, I normally don't like to spend a lot of money in curling irons and things like that because honestly, I don't really get a lot of use out of them. Honestly, I get the most use out of my Revlon big brush hair dryer. Like I use that all the time when I want my hair to be straight. But other than that, I don't do anything because my hair is naturally wavy. So I can just put like a little bit of oils and stuff in my hair and just leave it wavy, you know? But since I went and had my hair redone and she curled it and everything, I was like, I really want to start like curling my hair a little bit. And this curler is just like the best. I absolutely love it. And of course, the longer that you leave it in, the tighter the curl will be. So I try to leave mine in like a little bit longer just because I want the curl to last all day. And again, I have very thick, heavy hair, so a lot of times curls and stuff don't like to last for me, but look at how pretty that is. And since I've had my hair done, like I feel like curls just look even better. Okay, so now that I got the bottom part done, let's go ahead and try to do this top part. And I wish I could be better at my bangs too, because I feel like doing my bangs is really hard for me. I'm not sure what I'm doing with them, so I think that's why it's so hard. I'm like, I'm not sure what to do here. I was thinking about getting some like big curlers, so once I curl my hair, maybe I can stick it in the big curler to like hold the curl, but I don't have any, so I need to grab some. Also, the girl that does my hair, she was like starting in the center, twirling it up and then letting it down a little bit. She said for me to do it that way, but I don't know. I was trying to do that way and I was struggling really bad. And I was like, I'm scared I'm going to burn my hair or something. So I'm just going to like practice using this curler first before I try doing what she was doing. But yeah, she's like the professional at this, not me. I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to my hair. I just try. Doesn't always turn out the greatest, but you know. When she did my hair though, I mean, it lasted for like 3 days. It looked so good. I was like, dang, how do I get it to last like that? Because I don't even know. But also it could have been the hairspray that she was using. Like I'm just using Pantene hairspray right now. I am gonna get some hairspray from her though, because I feel like maybe her hairspray was better than what I'm using, and maybe that's why it helped to stay. I don't know. Or it could have just been like user error and I don't know what I'm doing curling my hair too, you know? Now that this is the 3rd time using it, like yesterday went pretty well. The first time I used it, not so much, because I kept pushing the button in the wrong way and I was curling the wrong way. So I was curling like towards my face instead of away from my face, and it just didn't turn out the cutest. But now that I've got the direction down a little bit, which is terrible to say, but hey, it's just true. It's what it is. I don't think I have my part quite right either, but it's okay. Not here to be perfect. We're just trying. Okay, so this little bang piece here, I'm gonna take out. We'll do that separate. Just do this little piece first. But she did this, and then she kind of did this, and then this. There we go. That's kind of how the girl that did my hair did it. We're still just practicing with it. I don't know. I love the way my hair turned out this time too. I think it looks so pretty. I mean, look at that curl. Is that pretty? All right, let's do this little tiny little piece here. Carefully. There we go. Okay. That doesn't look too bad. All right, don't touch it yet. Let's go over here and do this side now. Sometimes I'm like, I can't see what I'm doing. My hair's in the way. Okay, so this one, this goes over like so. Whoops. And she did this and this. And then she kind of moved it down the chain a little. Whoop, wrong way. And then she curled it up. See, much better. The first time I tried to do that, oh my gosh, it did not work out very well. Maybe that's why the curl held better. I don't know, but I'm just happy to be getting curls. So halfway, curl it up, bring it down. Oh, wrong way. Dang it. Keep doing that. Curl it up. See if that makes a little bit of a difference. You guys have any tips or tricks for me, just let me know down in the comments. I would really appreciate it because, again, I have no idea what I'm doing. Any type of products, hairspray that works for you other than, like I said, I have Pantene right now. Honestly, because I don't really use a lot of like hair products, you know what I mean? Like the most I'll use is hair oils. So I really just don't even use a ton of hairsprays, or hair gel is like kind of out of the question for me because I have to use so much in my hair that I just don't usually like how the after effect is. Like it gets that white flaky looking in my hair. So clip, wind, let it down, wind it up. I'm not sure if that makes much of a difference, but we'll see. I feel like, should I do that one more? That one didn't like come out good enough. Let me do that more, actually. It's like this, and then wrong way. I've tried to use like hot rollers in my hair, but they never work because I just never have enough. I need like 2 or 3 sets to do my hair. One set is not enough for all of my hair that I have. Thank you, Jesus. Very blessed with all this hair that I have, but sometimes it's like I have a hard time working with it. I don't know what I'm doing. So let's take this piece, leave my bang piece down, do this, clip, turn, pull it down some, and then clip it up some more. So same thing with this piece, clip, and just turn. Ooh, that turned out really good that time. Usually I struggle with the bangs, so yay for it turning out pretty decent this time actually. And then I will just let this cool down. Literally, I've been filming for 25 minutes, so it probably took me 20 minutes to curl all of my hair, which is really good. So now I'm just going to finger through the curls. Look at how pretty. I don't want to mess up my bang too much because I want it to stay back, but isn't that beautiful? Look at how pretty that turned out. Yay, it did so good this time. I love that I'm getting a little better at this. This is the hairspray that I've been using. Just a little bit of Pantene. So spray it down really quickly. God, I hate the smell of hairspray. So cute though. I love it. So I just like run a little bit of comb through it, and I love how this turned out. I mean, doesn't it look so cute? I love how this looks. I think when you have your hair curled and it's highlighted, like you can just see all the dimensions in it. So I'm in love. I love this Beachwaver. That's why I wanted to share it with you guys. I normally don't do like hair videos, but I thought I really wanted to share this with you to let you know how good this Beachwaver is, because I'm terrible at curling my hair, but look at it. It turned out so good this time. I'm so happy, and this is only my 3rd time using it. But again, if you have any tips, tricks, hair products that you would recommend, please let me know down in the comment section. I love to hear from you. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.